Today I will give you information about one of the missing minerals, especially for your brain health. And this is especially important for you women after 50 years and older, because a lot of you right now, you are in the early stages of dementia, you have problems with brain fog, your memory isn't as it maybe 5 or 10 years ago, and a lot of you think it is just about the hormones, it is just because I'm aging, but there is simple fix that really you are missing right now. And in today's video I'm going to give you information about something that is called boron. Today we are talking about boron, a mineral that modern medicine almost completely ignores when it comes to cognitive decline. And women over 50 are often told it is stress and your hormones are dropping, and this is perfectly normal. But brain fog, an early sign of dementia, is not normal. It is a signal that your neurochemistry is losing balance. In today's video you will be learning why boron is so crucial for your memories, for your hormones, for your other functions on minerals, and everything that is going to help you again, that you will have healthy brain and you prevent those early signs of cognitive decline. Why brain fog and early signs of dementia happens early after menopause? When estrogen drops during menopause, your brain loses its natural protection. And estrogen is neuroprotective. When levels decline, the brain inflammation increases and neurotransmitter signaling weakness. Memory slows, focus becomes unstable, anxiety increases, and sleep becomes fragmented. And doctors often prescribe antidepressants, but rarely do they check mineral status. And your brain is an electrical organ. To transmit signal, your brain are dependent on function of the minerals, especially boron, especially magnesium, calcium, and potassium. Those 4 minerals are crucial for your brain signaling, and many of you right now have chronic deficiency of those minerals, but you never check your blood levels for your chronic inflammation, your chronic deficiency in minerals and vitamins, because your doctor tell you this is nothing important. You really just need to use another chemical medications, and you take those chemical medication each day for the months, for the years, chemical hormones, antidepressants, or whatever it is, and you are getting worse and worse and worse. But maybe the simplest solution is going to be check your mineral status. Boron is not a hormone, but it protects your hormones. Research suggests that boron supports healthy estrogen metabolism, helps maintain active estrogen levels, and improves availability of free testosterone. And yes, women need testosterone for mental sharpness, motivation, confidence, and energy. And many women lose mental drive after 50, and boron helps restore that internal spark. By stabilizing natural hormones, boron may help reduce brain inflammation and support cognitive decline. Everything that I tell you today, it is completely scientifically proven. Unfortunately, no one talk about those kind of stuff, but I see it over 26 years working with the patients. First step for your healthy brain is always going to be about nutrition, natural remedies, and a healthy lifestyle. Boron and magnesium, the brain stabilize connection. Here is what most people don't know. You can take magnesium each day, but if you are low in boron, your body may not retain efficiently. And boron helps reduce urinary loss of magnesium, improve cellular magnesium stability, support calcium balance, and maintain proper mineral distribution. Magnesium calms the nervous system, and when magnesium works, racing thoughts reduce, sleep improves, anxiety decreases, and brain fog lifts. In many cases, magnesium does not work because the boron is missing, and this is a missing link between your nerves function and your brain function is going to be that you really need each day magnesium and really need each day boron. This is completely completely easy to understand. But if you're after 50 years and older, if you want have good quality boron each day, I'm going to recommend you 20 foods that have a lot of those boron in their compound, and if you eat those kind of food each day, it's really going to help your brain. And this is natural sources of boron: prunes, raisins, almonds, hazelnuts, walnuts, pistachios, avocados, apples, pears, red grapes, broccoli, cauliflower, beets, dates, figs, peanuts, lentils, chickpeas, plums, and peaches. Boron naturally occurs in fruits, nuts, and legumes and certain vegetables, but concentration depends heavily on soil quality. Modern agricultural depletion means that even healthy diets may provide only modest amount compared to historical level. While those foods form an excellent nutritional foundation, achieving consistent therapeutic intake through diet alone can be challenging. This is why overall mineral balance is not just single food choices, it becomes especially important after the age of 50. In short, this means unfortunately we eat those unhealthy food each day. Those food I was recommended earlier is perfect sources of boron, but probably after 50 years and older you will need support of unbelievably good quality boron in supplement form. But like I said it many times before, 99% of those supplements are totally garbage and cannot help you. But if you find 1% of those pure 100% organic supplement of boron, it really could help you. Boron supplement dosage guide. Common safe supplementation approach starts with 3 mg per day taken with the food and gradually increases to 6 mg if needed. And some protocol use up to 9 mg under supervision. It is often recommended cycle 2 to 4 weeks on and short break of several days. This means when I talk to my patients and make them those natural remedy programs with supplementation, in the most cases, if you have brain fog, if you have early signs of dementia, you really need those boron. Minimum is going to be 3 mg. In the most cases, maybe you will need a lot more, 6 mg, maybe even more than this. But as I said it, you cannot take boron 365 days a year. You really need to use them 2 to 4 weeks in a row with 2 to 4 weeks rest period. And this is probably good information for most of people, of course not everyone. What else matters for the brain health? Boron is powerful, but it's not only factor for cognitive decline and clarity after 50. We must also look at blood sugar regulation, sleep quality, omega-3 balance, stress hormones, inflammation markers, and thyroid function. Brain fog and dementia is rarely a single nutrient issue. It is system imbalance. When blood sugar fluctuates daily, the brain loses metabolic stability and neurons cannot produce steady energy. Poor sleep disturbs brain detoxification and preventing proper clearance of inflammatory bioproducts. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which directly interferes with memory circuits and hormonal balance. True cognitive clarity returns only when the entire metabolic network, hormones, minerals, sleep, and inflammation is restored together. That's why it's so important to have good quality nutritional and natural remedies program that really can help you with your brain fog, your mental tiredness, with your stress, with your anxiety, with your depression, especially with your risk of dementia. Boron is the crucial mineral. No one talks about it, and I see it every day in my practice. If you want to learn how to prevent dementia, brain fog, or other mental illness, you can call my office. This is something I do for 26 years. From any part of the world, any country in the world, call my office, and I will be making sure that you will get in proper education and my MarioLab special program for your, of course, problems, your maybe diseases, and everything is going to be in the safe and natural way. Thank you, my dear viewers, for following me. God bless you. God bless your family. See you in the next video. My name is Mario. I am European medical professional with over 26 years clinical experience working with the patient all around the world. My core expertise include nutrition, natural medicine, physical therapy and rehabilitation. Through my MarioLab natural healing programs, I have helped thousands of people every year improve their health, regain mobility, reduce chronic pain and chronic diseases, and restore their quality of life. And those programs may help you as well. If you would like to visit my clinic in person, or if you prefer my personal phone consultations without traveling, my team and I are here to help you. Contact us via Viber or the WhatsApp at the phone number +385 98 9179 200. Your health deserves serious, professional, and individual approach. Thank you for following me. See you next time.